name's Felicia, and I just want to give you a quick review of this wireless CarPlay device that was sent to me to review. I am so excited to try this out because I always use my phone in the car, like with the GPS and with music and things like that. And so I do not like that it always has to be plugged in, especially with the GPS, in order for it to work on my screen in the car. Honestly, it's like the size of an Apple Watch. It looks like holding it up next to my watch, it's about the same size as like the face of my Apple Watch. So that's actually very nice and convenient. So it's not going to take up a whole lot of space in your car. And you have the USB plug on this side. And then you also have, depending on what plugs you have in your car, you also have the USB-C. Okay, so pairing this device was very easy. Simply plug it in and then the little light there will pop on. My car on the screen had a couple things that I needed to agree on first. And then it was time to pair it to my phone. So it automatically came up under Bluetooth on my phone, and I just simply had to press a couple buttons, and it was almost instantaneously that my phone was connected through this device to my car. Okay, so now why don't we go ahead, let's pause for a second and take a listen as it connects to the car. Overall setup took less than 20 seconds. It did not take long at all, and the audio playback on this was just like it was before, even when I was plugging directly into the car with my phone. Okay, to show you again just how quickly it is to connect, I got out of my car, got back in, and literally like less than 10 seconds. So let's take a listen to the voice assist.
Call hubby.
Calling hubby mobile.
Okay, so overall, this thing is so cool. This is going to be nice for like long road trips, not needing to keep my phone plugged in at all times. So one of like the big things that my husband and I struggle with all the time is with the kids in the back seat. Sometimes like I'm sitting back there, he's up here, and we always use my phone because my phone comes equipped with Apple CarPlay. And so when he needs my phone up here to, you know, have the GPS, and it has to stay plugged in, and I'm in the back seat, say I need to like send a text message, I can't do that. And so with this, I will now be able to do that. I know it's kind of minor, but for us that is huge. A couple things to know actually. This requires CarPlay to already be on your car, and so you will need to have a car that has that. You also need an iPhone that has iOS 10 or later for the software. So those are just a couple things to know, important things to note, that in order to use this device, that is what you will need. So if you already have CarPlay equipped on your car and you have iOS 10 or later, I would highly recommend this. This is going to be so convenient. Plus, the compact size of this, it is not going to take up a ton of space in your car. So if you are looking for a wireless CarPlay device for your car, so you do not have to keep your phone plugged in and is compact, I would highly recommend this device.